Okay, now in this chapter, the obligations of Tajweed, we'll discuss about how this Tajweed actually been proved as an integral part of Islam, integral part of the whole Tajweed and the Qira'at science to recite the Qur'an. So the proof that the scholars actually bring to show the obligations of Tajweed is from the Qur'an straight away. Yeah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Qur'an, there's a chapter called Surah Al-Muzammil. In the verse number 4, it says that أَوْزِدْ عَلَيْهِ وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا. The interpretation of the closest meaning in English is to make it a little more and recite the Qur'an clearly with tartil, within bracket, in a distinct and measured tone. Okay. Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu anh, he is the fourth caliph, one of the cousins of the Prophet, peace be upon him. He died in 40 after Hijri, which is the 660 CE. Said regarding the explanation of these verses above, is that a tartil is tajweed of the letters and knowing where to stop correctly. In Arabic, you can say it tajweedul hurufi wa ma'rifatul uqufi. Tartil is tajweed of the letters and knowing where to stop correctly. And it is the rights of reciting correctly is reciting it the way it was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. Also in the various sayings of the Prophet, peace be upon him, shows us that the importance of the tajweed. For example, one of the wives of the Prophet, peace be upon him, called Salama, said about the recitation of she was actually asked how Prophet, peace be upon him, used to recite the Quran. She said the Prophet, peace be upon him, while he was reciting the Quran, recited so that in such a way that each and every letter been clearly distinguished, properly. So clearly distinguished each and every letter while the Prophet was reciting the Quran.